Welcome back. Laws and the government. The government makes laws that everyone living in the country has to follow. It cannot only make a decision but can enforce it as well. Given as an example, everyone driving a motor vehicle is required to have a license. Any person caught driving a vehicle without a license can either be jailed or fined a large sum of money. Same as the decision the government can take, people can also take some steps in if they feel that a particular law is not being followed. An example of this is given here. If a person feels that they were not hired for a job because of their religion or caste, he or she may approach the court to claim that the law is not being followed. The court can then give order about what should be done. The government makes laws and regulations which every citizen is supposed to follow. Laws need to be enforced for proper functioning of the government. Just like the government has the power to take a decision, similarly it has the power to implement those decisions. Just one example I gave you about the vehicle, that if you drive a vehicle on a road, you got to have license. Otherwise, you cannot drive a vehicle without a license. The same way, if you live in a society or a building, you have to follow the rules and regulation of the society. If you don't follow the rules and regulation of the society can force you to move out and find some other place for you to stay in somewhere else. So the citizen can approach for the court if a law is not being followed, and if somebody is not hired for a job because of his caste or religion, he or she can approach in the court and claim that the law is not being followed. The court can then give order about what should be done. Types of government. Who gives the government this power to make decision and enforce law? So, in a democracy, people give the government this power via election, in which people vote for a particular person and elect them. This elected person forms the government, and in a democracy, the government has to give explanation of its action and defend its decision to the people. But whereas in a monarchy, it is a form of a government where the king or queen has the power to make decision and run the government. The king or the queen may discuss some matters with her feudals or subordinates, but final decision making power remains with the monarch. The king or the queen does not explain anything to the people and does not explain his or her functions, and also have not defend his or her decisions. So, for example, monarchy type of government we have in England, that is followed in England even today, and democratic type of government that is followed in India. India is one of the biggest democracies of the world. I'll again explain you more about it in the next